Some homes don't just need renovation, they deserve a second chance. Today's deal of the day is a beautiful Victorian home in Oakdale, California. Built more than a century ago, it still carries timeless character and incredible potential. Listed at just $300,000, FixerFlip estimates an after-repair value of over $819,000. With an estimated renovation budget of $203,000, this project could generate approximately $212,000 in profit and an estimated 34.9% return on investment. Imagine preserving its historic charm while transforming it into a modern masterpiece. This isn't just another property, it's an opportunity to bring history back to life, only on FixerFlip.
Two people started on the same road. Both had dreams and both had hope. One ran blind, one chose to see what a little guidance could really be. Fix a flip.